enjoying the new look of Studio A right here at Fox 17 on the Morning Mix with its new cameras, the new lights, the new graphics. But one key important part that we need to talk about is the floor. And for that, Deb DeGraaf from DeGraaf Interiors joins us. Good morning, Deb.
Good morning.
Thank you for the awesome flooring that you installed. Here, tell us about this project when we approached you and what we did.
Absolutely. I think the look that you were going for is to brighten it up, lighten it up, give it some depth, give it some texture, and that's exactly what we were able to do here. There's some border work, a chevron pattern that our installer Dennis did a phenomenal job with. It was challenging, but he rose to the challenge, and we're just excited that we had the opportunity to help you guys out.
And we're going to get to that chevron pattern here in a second. I think we have some footage, but let's talk a little bit about the perception of DeGraaf Interiors. A lot of people may think of you as for home, but you do a lot of these commercial jobs.
We do actually quite a bit of commercial work, and we kind of dipped our toe in back in 2011 and did a very large project that many people drive by every day and may not realize it, but the old Union High School that was turned into condos there. That was kind of our first big step into the commercial arena, and ever since then we've been doing a number of buildings downtown, West Michigan, and even some outside of West Michigan.
And it's not just this flooring, and as we're seeing behind us, this is them installing it for us. Talk about the materials that you used. Obviously, this floor gets a lot of traffic, and it gets beat up pretty quickly, so I'm sure you had to use some pretty heavy-duty stuff.
We did. Definitely a commercially rated floor. I believe it was Tarkett that we put in here, and vinyl plank is definitely the most popular product that we're selling right now, whether it's homes, new homes, remodels, and commercial as well. And that's what you have here, glued down to the substrate to provide the best functionality for your cameras to move around on, and the heavy use that you guys give it here.
And heavy use it does get. Great technology. Let's get to this chevron. We're seeing him, we saw a quick shot there of him laying in some of that. Talk about, he hand cut those, right?
He had to hand cut each individual piece. He actually made himself a little jig to work with to make sure that they were all made equally and the same, so they could fit together as you see here. And again, a challenge, but sometimes challenges are good to rise to, and especially when you have a finished product that looks like this.
Yeah, from Union Square, from the high school, turning into condos to a new flooring for a TV studio, you guys really do it all. What do you see in this time of year? What are people doing when the weather turns colder?
I think now that kids are back to school and have been back in school a little bit, we do see a number of homeowners come in for retail remodels, and now that their kids are back on a predictable schedule, we're doing a lot of remodeling. This month we're in the middle of National Kerosene Month, which is big for our retail customers because there's a lot of savings opportunity there. And a lot of people, before they start putting Christmas trees up and holiday decorations, they want to freshen up the house for those that are coming home for the holidays.
And what is this Kerosene you speak of? Can you elaborate just a little bit?
I can. It's probably one of the more known brands in flooring. They have wood, they have luxury vinyl, and carpet is where they started. So many beautiful patterns. There's wools, there's nylons, and any pattern really that you can think of. And so a really updated, upgraded look to your home can be found certainly within those collections.
Well, if it is interior design, if it's that flooring, DeGraaf Interiors, obviously the place to go, whether it's a remodel, a new build, or a television studio, they've got you covered at DeGraaf. Always doing gorgeous work. You want to check out DeGraaf Interiors projects and learn more? You just go to DeGraafInteriors.com. We'll be right back.